Military analyst reports that Iran has supplied over 200 missiles, including the Ababil missiles with laser-guided precision. According to military analyst, Iran has recently supplied Russia with over 200 missiles capable of striking targets up to 80 kilometers away. These missiles, while not long-range, over 300 kilometers, pose a significant threat on the battlefield due to their tactical capabilities. The Arman and Ababil missiles might be part of this transfer, drawing comparisons to the performance of the HIMARS rockets. Of particular concern, highlighted the Ababil missile's advanced guidance system, including a version with semi-active laser guidance. This technology allows the missile to hit targets illuminated by a laser, improving accuracy. Moreover, certain models are capable of targeting moving objects, making them especially dangerous in combat. With this missile transfer, Russia gains enhanced strike capabilities, raising concerns about increased precision attacks in ongoing military operations. Arman is a medium-range high-altitude air defense system designed to protect sensitive areas against aerial threats, such as short-range ballistic missiles, anti-radiation missiles, cruise missiles, guided aerial bombs, helicopters, and drones. Some of the key features of the Arman air defense system include a response time of less than 20 seconds, 360-degree operational area coverage, the ability to engage up to 6 targets simultaneously, and deployment readiness within 3 minutes. The Arman air defense system is a fully mobile air defense system, previously known as the Tactical Sayed Air Defense System, observed during a military parade in April 2022. It's worth noting that the export version of this system was showcased at the Russia's Army 2023 Expo in capital Moscow, under the name Tactical Sayed Air Defense System. A key innovation in the design of the Arman air defense system is the integration of radar and missile launchers in a single vehicle. This design, known as Transporter Erector Launcher and Radar Tealer, along with the 360-degree coverage angle, increases the overall system's agility and enables a quicker response to emerging threats. As a result, one unit of the Arman air defense system consists of a radar-carrying vehicle and 3 vertical missile launchers. This air defense system is available in 2 variants, equipped with an active electronically scanned array, (ISA) radar for the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC Aerospace Force, and a passive electronically scanned array, (PISA) radar for the Islamic Republic of Iran Air Defense Force. The active phased array radar of this system belongs to the NADM 804 radar family, and the passive phased array radar seems to be of the Joshan radar system. The Arman air defense system, with the mentioned radars, is capable of detecting 24 targets within a range of 180 to 200 kilometers. It intercepts targets at a range of 160 kilometers and engages with targets at a range of 120 kilometers. The maximum engagement altitude of this radar is 27 kilometers, and it has the capability to engage up to 6 targets simultaneously. As evident from the images, the Arman air defense system uses a triple missile launcher. According to available information, the Arman air defense system utilizes Sayed 3F missiles, which are the vertically launched variant of the Sayed 3 missile. Meanwhile, the Iran-made Ababil ballistic missile also has been put on display at Russia's Army Forum 2023. The Iranian missile is similar in appearance to the Zuhair missile manufactured by the Islamic Revolution Guard Corps Aerospace Force. With a length of 3.7 meters, the missile weighs 240 kilograms with a warhead of 45 kilograms. It has a range of 86 kilometers. The missile is also able to use optical ground detectors. Now Iran reportedly supplies Russia with over 200 short-range missiles. What types are included? The Arman and Ababil missiles might be part of this transfer,